I'm very close to this bottom fitting into the stave rolled up. And the last time I put it in there, I put some pencil marks where how far this taper is going into the grooves in the staves. And it looks like they're pretty much there. This looks shallow right here. I'm just going to ease a little bit. Well, I see that I've lost the sound in the shop, but let me continue here with some of what I probably was saying. And right now I'm just shaving the beveled edges of that bottom a little bit before I do a final test of rolling that bottom up into the staves. So it's just a little block plane work to try to make sure that that's going to go in and work. I don't know whether I switched over to the other side and also trimmed it on the other side or not. You'll see here in a minute if I turn that over. That hold fast helps a lot there, and trying to work those edges over the side of the workbench. Without that hold fast, I couldn't manage. All right, now I'm just going to speed that up a little bit and try out the fit. Now I did mark which stave so that I could repeat putting that bottom into the same place every time I test it. So I did make a marking to show that. Now hopefully this is going to close up on the stave joint. Boy, it looks close there. It is close. So let me see if I can just verify that that's good enough. Yes, I think it's good enough. Now, I've got these steel bands. I'm just looking at, yeah, here's a steel band that I can adjust to close that up and see if it closes up any gaps that exist at the stave joints. I have two of these bands, and when I glue up, there'll be one on the top, or one on the bottom like this one, then there'll be another one up at the top. I do glue up. I'll use longer setting glue, maybe a Titebond 3 or a liquid hide glue that gives me more time to glue up. So I just want to clamp down on this and see if everything closes up okay. I'm checking those joints, and I think that it's closing up the joints okay. And so Now I'm explaining that once this is all glued, I got to round over, I hand plane all those staves to give it a rounded circumference. So it just, the hand plane just knocks off those edges. I don't go completely round, but quite a bit there. This isn't meant to be waterproof. These are what they would call sugar buckets, so that's going to work. Everything looks good in the joints. I do not round over inside, so it will retain that 12 side shape in the inside of the bucket. So I'm pretty happy about this